Hey guys, Rahul here with Team Rajagi. Today we're going to talk about homes with pools. I know it's a hot summer we've had this year, so what do you need to know about pools, right? A lot of people ask, Rahul, you have a pool. How did you get it made? How much it cost you? All that stuff. Today in this video we'll be detailing you everything and we'll be answering all your questions. So something you want to know about pools, there's actually three different types of pools. You have ones called a above ground pool, you have a semi-in-ground pool, and then you have an in-ground pool. Now, the pricing wise, above ground is obviously the cheapest, then semi-above ground, and then in-ground. Now when you go further into it, in-ground pools can be split into two different types. One is a gunite pool, the other one is a vinyl pool. As well as there is a fiberglass, but you don't see many of those in New York, so for this video, I'm going to skip over that. What we'll talk about is a gunite pool. Cool thing about gunite pool is you could shape them in any shape or form. So if you've ever seen those pools, those insane pools that look like a beach, that have the whole thing slanted going down, those are called gunite pools. They're very expensive to make, however they're very solid and firm. So for the next 5 to 10 years, there's probably no sort of maintenance involved. Only thing you might have to do is eventually do a marble dusting, which you usually do every 10 years. So if you're an agent that's watching this video and you sell homes that are gunite pools, that's definitely a very important question you want to ask. Hey, when was the last time marble dusting was done? Next type of pools are called vinyl pools. This is the type of pool that I have in our home. What I like about vinyl pools is, number one, they're very soft on the bottom, so it doesn't scrape up your feet. They're also very efficient and they're not that expensive to get put in. So vinyl pools are what most type of pools you see in today's day and age. The only negative of them is obviously you can't customize them too much. You can't have too many custom steps, you can't have custom features or a shape. So that's why they are a little bit cheaper and they're great type of pools. Now the next two types of pools you want to know about is, one is a saltwater pool, other is a chlorine pool. Chlorine pools more often than not will require a little bit more maintenance, a little bit more hands-on. Where saltwater pools, what happens is you take the salt, you throw it in the pool, and then you don't have to worry about it. The salt water generator, it goes through it and it automatically creates chlorine to keep the water clean. So this is everything you need to know about pools. Pools can get heated, and they could be heated with gas or electric or solar, but that's all you really need to know about pools. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering what type of pool you want, I just went over all the positive and the negatives of it, and you can go on to our next video where we'll talk about how do pools impact home values and what's this issue with taxes and pools. Is that actually a thing? So if you're watching this video and you want to watch our next video, definitely stay with us or give us a call at 516-996-3633. Again, it's 516-996-3633 if you have any questions about pools or you want to get one made. Thank you.